To create this design, I am going to add a cylinder, turn on the statistics and wireframe, rotate the cylinder into 90 degree, and then S and Shift H scale it along the Y and Z axis. So I will get something like this. Apply the rotation, apply the scale, go to the edit mode, select this side faces and Control B, add bevel on them. Then I'm going to add a center loop cut, then add a bevel on it, then add one more center loop cut and add a bevel on it. Then I'm going to select these faces, Shift D to duplicate them, press P to make a separate object, select these faces, go to the edit mode, select everything and E to extrude it and move it along the Z axis. Like this, then S Z and give it the value 0. Select these edges and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Then use the knife tool and create straight cut like this. Then select this corner edge and add a bevel on it. Then select these faces and delete them. Select everything, press M and merge by distance. Select these edges and press F to fill the gap. Select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Then select this edge and add bevel on it. Select this word, move it along the x-axis and dissolve this edge. Select this corner edge and add bevel on it. Select this edge and add one segment bevel. Select everything, press M and merge by distance. Select this part and delete it. Now we need to create a topology for this. Use the knife tool and create cut like this. Create cut like this. Add one loop cut here. Create this kind of topology. Create one cut like this. Then select this corner edges and Control B, add bevel on it. Add a 2 segment bevel, shift factor should be 1. Uncheck this loop slide. Here you can do one thing, select this words, merge at the center. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance. Then here select this words, merge at last. Then hit the Ctrl 2 and add the subd modifier and shade smooth it. Then I'm going to select these faces and I will use the insert operation and Control B, add bevel on it. And select this word, merge at last, and then dissolve this edge. Then select this cylindrical object and there you go. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.